If you want to know how to get free traffic from Facebook, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss a video every time I upload one. I publish videos every week and I always create content that is going to help you make a success online. Now, this is video number 2 in a series of 10 videos that I am making to show you how you can get free traffic from Facebook. By free traffic from Facebook, I basically mean how you can use your Facebook profile, your Facebook account to make money. So in video number 1 last week, I showed you the first steps that you had to take to optimize your Facebook profile. And in this video number 2, I'm showing you the next and final steps that you have to take to optimize your Facebook profile. Let's go.
So the next steps in optimizing your profile is putting some links. You need some links on your Facebook profile, okay? Facebook, fortunately, when you edit your profile, as you can see here, you can have a clickable link. Now, it doesn't appear on all versions of Facebook. I believe when I go to my Facebook on my Android phone, on my mobile, there is no clickable link, right? So don't worry about it. But include a clickable link so that people, at least when they log in from a device that shows the clickable link, it will appear, right? So what you need to do in this strategy is you need to decide where is it that you want people to go? What links do you want people to click on? Okay, for me, I would say I have 2 main links that I want people to click on. One is my Facebook group. I want to draw people into my world, okay? So one is my Facebook group, which is why I have a link here to my Facebook group. And the other is my mentor's funnel, my mentor's free training, because I find that it will help people build a profitable business online, and you know, that way again it brings people into my world. So you need not to put too many links. There's a time when I had an insane amount of links on my profile, right? And I do see some people have a ton of links. So in this bit, the intro, keep in mind all this is completely public, and you can put link to Twitter, link to LinkedIn, a link to Instagram, to YouTube. You can put a ton of links, okay? You can also put, this is my Facebook business page, so you can put that, but I could put a link to several Facebook. I have more than one, right? So, you know, there's a time when I had a link to all my business pages and my Twitter and my Instagram and my LinkedIn, even though I don't really use them. But the thing is, you need to not put too many links in. Honestly, don't put too many links. I'm even thinking I'm going to take this link off. This is my blog. And actually, I don't do much with my blog at all. So I think I'm going to take this link out, okay? So really try not to put too many links. Also, you know, there was a time when I had that I'm married, this, that. I've taken that out now, right? And what I liked, my hobbies, all that stuff. Honestly, you can really take that out. The more information people have, the more clear it will be for them what they need to do, okay? I have still put where I come from. I do find it quite useful to know where people come from somehow, but yeah, that's kind of up to you. But I would say keep it as simple as possible. But basically try to do that. Put you know, links to 1 or 2 places where you want people to go to. Here in this bit in your sort of bio, you know, when you edit that, Again, this is where how you do it. You have about 180 characters, I think. So there again, make it as clear as possible what you can do for people, okay? What you bring them, and where they have to go to get that, okay? So for me at the moment, this is what I put, right? I help people with, I bring them the tools, the courses, and the mindset that they need to make money online. And the best value I can give people at the moment, at least, is my mentors free training, because that's 3 videos of massive valuable training that is going to help people. And when people want watch click here to watch that, they have to give me their email address, and then I communicate with them. I build a relationship with them, and I continue to, let them know what tools I'm using, what's helping me grow my business. So I feel that the best way really for them to get my value is by doing that. Okay, I hope this makes sense, the way I explain it. I have also got a link to my YouTube channel, because obviously, a lot of my content is on my YouTube channel. So you can do that. Putting the link to the YouTube channel is a little tricky, and I made a tutorial about that in itself. So you can click, there should be up here right now, the link to the video that you need to check out to know how to do that. But that basically is it. I would say this is my lesson for this week. Make sure in this section you are clear about what you do, how you help people. Put a link that people can click on to get into your world, and edit this intro bit and put not too many links, but I would say ideally maybe 2 links to places where, again, it's going to be your world, and it's going to get people used to your style and what you can offer them. Okay, I hope that makes sense.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, please, before you go, wait a minute. Remember, this is video number 2 in a series of 10 videos. So make sure you stay tuned for step 3 in this strategy that will be released next Monday. Free Facebook marketing is a strategy that is like a puzzle. You can't only do one bit and skip all the other bits. So really, really make sure that you catch all the videos in this series. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.